This na Pidgin News Network and na me man about town na in the yarn so. Make a show na 7 Nigerian celeb and politicians that will follow Hush Puppy take rough shoulder before he call up back on Kasha. Number 1 na Davido. Like when I know Davido and Hush Puppy na better ogbonge friends. The social media big boy even show face for Dubai for Davido brother wedding wey be Adewale Adeleke. The second person na Lasisi Eleno. The Nigerian social media comedian and skit maker follow for the celeb wey enjoy with Hush Puppy. The funny man also write better thing about Hush Puppy.
I pity you, English or no English. And with the money.
Third person na Daddy Freeze. The Nigerian media personality and social critics wey be Daddy Freeze follow for the celeb wey enjoy with Hush Puppy. Even they even chop and eat. Even for one video wey we see recently wey Hush Puppy carry Daddy Freeze and im baby dey do small enjoyment waka waka. The fourth person on top this list na Wizkid. The star boy na ogbonge Nigerian artist wey be Wizkid follow Hush Puppy take rub shoulder before he call Oba arrest am. The fifth person on top this list na Senator Dino Melaye. The Nigerian politician wey be Dino Melaye follow gun body with Hush Puppy when he dey chop on top table. Even Hush Puppy show face when the politician do im birthday for Dubai 2019. But when they call Oba don catch Hush Puppy, na Senator Dino Melaye come out for social media yarn say Hush Puppy no been really padi o. Sixth person on top this list na Moffa. Hush Puppy and Moffa na better ogbonge padi o, but they later get small gbege wey people come dey yarn say e be like say they dey drag who get money pass. The seventh person na Atiku Abubakar. The social media 419 wey show support for the former vice president wey be Atiku when he dey campaign for im presidential election for im post wey he put on top Instagram. Hush Puppy come write, he say I choose among the two old people wey be our choice, Buhari and Atiku. Abeg una una pick Atiku, una not talk say utilize money because our mama and our papa dem not kill themselves or they not even go on top social media go dey beg for money. Even we wey be our children, they will not thief get their pants just to spoil their life because we won't survive. Our economy not scatter. Our children, they will be say they finish school, they not even go on top social media go dey explain wetin they go use 5,000 take do for social media giveaway. Abeg make we do the right thing whether it be young person or it be old person because Nigeria no need prayer. What we just need na to do the right decision. This na Pidgin News Network and na me MC Nehi, the man about time na in the yarn so. Make una get better day.